Guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to make you natural healthy mango juice, and I'm going to use 2 large mango. One is already cutting up, ready to go in my blender. The next one I'm going to simply wash it, remove the skin, slice it up and put it in my blender. I'm using a small piece of ginger. I love ginger. Ginger is very good for for your health. And I'm going to use half of lemon. And I'm about to start. I'm just washing my mango. And I am going to remove the skin from my mango. So I'm just peeling my mango. Wow, this mango is looking really good. And it is smelling really good. Wow. I finished peeling my mango and I'm going to slice up my mango. This mango is full of juice. Wow. Just gonna give my board a rinse. I'm gonna remove these gloves. I only put these gloves on because I was cutting up my mango. I'm just gonna put my mango in my blender. Wow. And I'm gonna wash my ginger. I'm gonna cut my ginger in small pieces. And I'm gonna put my ginger straight into my blender. I'm gonna wash my lemon. Cut it in 2 halves. I'm gonna only use half of my lemon. And I'm gonna juice it straight into my blender. Juice this out. And I'm gonna add a tablespoon of honey straight into my blender. I'm going to add enough water to cover my mango. Not a lot of water because I do not want to kill the flavor. I want this juice to have a lot of flavor so that when you're drinking this juice, you really enjoy it. So I'm just going to leave it like that. Just enough water to cover my mango. And that should be okay. And I'm going to just rinse off my lid. Put it on the blender. And I'm going to switch my blender on. Wow, look at that. You only need to blend it like for a minute because the blender is very powerful. So it's all blend and it's ready for straining. Wow, look at that. That is amazing. Wow. Oh, wow. I love that look. That look is amazing. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. Just the way how I want it. Absolutely beautiful. I'm just giving the bowl a rinse. And I'm about to strain my mango juice. And I'm going to strain my mango. Wow, look at that. Oh my God, that is amazing. That's absolutely beautiful. So I'm just straining my mango juice. And it's looking really, really good. Really good. Wow. It's coming out nicely. And looking really good. Finish straining my mango juice. Wow. And I'm just going to give it a stir. Wow, look at that. Wow, that is looking really, really good. Natural, healthy mango juice. Wow, look at that. Wow, that is looking really, really good. So I'm gonna pour some over ice. You can pour it over ice. You can put it on your fridge to chill. It's entirely up to you. But I'm just gonna pour some over ice. I'm gonna have a bit of taste, and then I'll tell you exactly what I think about my natural, healthy mango juice. Wow. Oh my God. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. That is wow. So I'm going to taste it now, guys, and then I'm going to tell you exactly what I think about my natural healthy mango juice. Wow. Wow. Lovely. Wow. Oh my God. Absolutely lovely. Wow. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Love you all. Goodbye.